Hi, this is Willie Casada. Here is the demo for Lab 6. So right here I just wrote a couple test cases. So we're going to try the idle plus the subtracting and the multiplying case. So what I have here, this button here is the reset button. So it'll just turn it all off and then restart it. There's 5 switches here. 0 to 4 are the A switches, so for magnitude, 1 is the sign. The switches 5 to 9 are for B, so of course 4 of them are for the magnitude, 1 for sign. So it says A magnitude, A sign, B magnitude, B sign. These 2 digits here are for the C output, so this should be 8 bits. Here's the C sign, and then this is the op code, which are these 2 switches here. So right now it's in idle state, and then we'll just try a couple of these test cases. Don't know if I'll try to get them all, depends how this video goes. So let's see, so we try A is 5, so positive 5 shows here, and B is -2, and also this is the indicator of that it's a plus sign. It looks like an F. So then this will be 2, and then it wants, positive in this case. So yeah, nothing happens. I mean, honestly, I can try any number. So 6, -6, 6, -6, 2, just messing with it. Yeah, you can see like nothing happens in the idle state. This output will stay at 0, and because this is 0, the sign shouldn't be showing. So no matter what I do and reset, still nothing should happen. Let's see. And then if we try the addition mode, so if we say 0, 1, then this should show a 2 for the opcode, meaning it's in adding mode. And we'll just try a couple of these. So let's try 4. So A is 4, positive 4, B is, so it'll just show here. So 4 plus 4 is 8, positive 8. We do -7, so let's try -7, and let me show that. B is 10, so yeah. So yeah, -7 plus 10, positive 3. Let's see, -15. So because it should only show BCD, then it's gonna do the BCD equivalent of 15. So I see the -5. Then B, we do 11. So 11 would be this. So it just shows a 1, indicating -11. So -15 plus 11 is -4, as you can see with this sign here, -4. If we do 1 minus 1, so I'm just gonna, or 1 plus -1. So 1 plus -1, 0, and you shouldn't see a sign because 0 shouldn't have a sign. It's not positive or negative. We do -15 plus -15, so all of them, I'll just put them all on. See, -30. So that'll be the adding case. So now we're doing the subtracting. So let's just begin. So we do, let's say, I have them all on high. Let's change this. So if we do, I don't know, 3 minus 3, so A is 3, and then B is 3. So 0, we do -8, so -8, and then 11, so that should be -19, as you can see. If we do -14, so that would be that one, and then -14 minus 10. I always get confused. Okay, so -24, 6. Now let's do 6 minus -6. So this is 6, and then the -6 minus, so we get +12, and then we do -13 minus -4. That should give you -9. So let's do that. So -13, I think that one is this. right? Negative 13 minus negative 4. So we get negative 9, okay? So now we're going to do the multiplying case, and it's indicated with 1, 1, and 7 on the display, it's off digit. So yeah, we just start. So let's do 5 as A, and here, so 5 times 5, 25, all positive. Let's do negative 9 now, so negative 9. So this is negative 9 times 11, so that'll be negative 99. Let's do 7 times negative 5. I think that one's this. So negative 35. Negative 5 times negative 8. So let's do that. Negative 8. That one. So positive 40. Yeah. So negative. So it should be positive. Same sign as positive. Also, we're gonna do another very special case that I did notice. So let's just do negative 10 times 10. So you should expect negative 100, right? The answer isn't 0. So I get this. So I said negative 10, right? So negative 10. It shows a 0 because that's what it is in hex. Times, right now it's negative 10 times 0, just so you know. That's why it's showing 0. But then if we do this, negative, oh, I didn't need to do that. So negative 10 times positive 10 is negative 100, and it shows a sign, whereas if we just did this, it doesn't, because it's negative 10 times 0, so the answer is 0. But because the answer itself is only limited to these two BCD displays, the 1 in the hundreds place isn't going to show. So technically it's showing 0 here as a result, but the answer is not 0, it's 100. So that's why I had the sign display here, because it would be wrong to not have a sign, because the answer, it only shows a sign if this result is 0, so it's not technically 0. That was just a special case I found. And also if we go further, so let's say like negative 15 times negative 10, you should get positive 150. So we just see the 50, but we don't see the 100. So it's still working as it should. So let's just go over it. So negative 15 times negative 15 is positive, I think 225, or yeah, positive 225. So yeah, that's how it works. I think I did cover some special cases, but I'll just show the zero case. So right now we have positive 0, times it together to get 0. Same if you, so let's switch it to adding mode. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And all of these, the sign will never show because 0 technically isn't positive or negative. So obviously idle mode doesn't matter. So whatever mode it is, it doesn't matter if I change the sign. So negative 0, negative 0, or just positive 0, negative 0, it doesn't matter. Add mode, doesn't matter. As long as if these are both 0, or if both numbers are the same and they add up or subtract to 0, it's going to be 0 regardless, and the sign isn't going to show. So even that special case is covered.